Hi everyone! Welcome to episode 3 of Cook with Kay. We have a great episode for you today. This is the end of July and then we're going to go pick black mulberries on public residential property and on public land. And we're going to make a really nice mulberry syrup for a summer drink. Also, I've been riding my bike up and down Toronto's bike trails looking for the best place to pick wild grape leaves. So I'm going to show you how to pick wild grape leaves and use them to wrap dolmas, which is a type of Middle Eastern appetizer where the grape leaf is filled with rice and herbs, pine nuts, sometimes berries, or meat. Yeah, this is actually new for me too. So let's have a great cooking adventure today. Wow, look at this. This is like a lot of grape leaves. It's very easy to identify wild grapes. There are several types in Toronto, but they all sort of have the same common thing. It's like 1, 2, 3. There's 3 lobes. And then the tips are curly. They use this to wrap around another plant and pull themselves up. When you're picking, you should only pick the 3 at the end of the vine because those are the brand new ones. Often wild grapes are mixed up with other plants because they have best friends. They like to climb this one as high as they can go. So just be careful that when you're picking not to mistake this for grapes, because this is going to make you sick. It's going to make you vomit. Normally, the best time to pick grape leaves is at the end of May or towards the middle of June, because that's when they're nice and soft and shiny and they're not too thick yet. So usually what you try to get the bigger ones. Okay, so there's 3 and then you can stack them like this. Even on the same vine, some of them are dark. Like if it's a dark green, that means it's getting a little bit too tough. Right? And then the lighter ones are thinner and they're a little bit more digestible. So try to get the light green ones if you can. Right now we're approaching the end of July and there's more and more fruits that are becoming available. One prime example this month in the urban environment is mulberry trees. The lower branches are the easiest ones to pick. You can see that every few days, if the summer's hot, you'll have another bunch that turn black, which means it's ripe. But then there's also some that are still sour. And then, so you can eat all the black ones. And then the next time you come back a few days later, there's another batch waiting for you. Like these ones are ripe. And then these ones are gonna be ripe maybe next week. I really love this tree because it's been my snacking tree for the past 2 weeks. So I'm gonna go up here and then try to take whatever I can from the remaining ones. On today's menu, we're gonna make dolmas, which are also known as dolmaris. And what they are is grape leaves. These are wild grape leaves that we picked that we're gonna stuff with rice and some black currants and pine nuts. So it's gonna be like a Middle Eastern appetizer. And then we're also gonna take mulberries that I picked from trees around Toronto and turn them into a syrup that we'll make into a nice refreshing summer drink. So it's pretty good, considering it's maybe only my second time making it.
Second time? I think it looks pretty tasty. I remember the smell when you were cooking that was making me totally starving. It went beyond my expectations here.
Yeah? Oh, great. That's good. That's what I want to hear.
Yeah.
But actually, you know, at first when I saw the recipe and I saw all the cinnamon, I wasn't so sure because I don't like cinnamon sometimes. But I think it's perfect for this. What do you try the mulberry juice? It's actually mulberry juice with iced tea.
Great.
Yeah.
Yes, really good.
I like it.
Yeah, so you approved. You can open the restaurant and serve this meal because it's really good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And cheers,
Cheers,
everybody.
everybody.